Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you another option in importing your data into MySQL. A very simple process. As you saw, we had 3 different files associated with the project we have this term. So with that, we're going to be looking at those 3 files and how we can import them. So we had the one process where you would just go to server, and then you could do data import. In data import, you would want to import from a self-contained file. Just browse that file, and you want to save to a new schema. So in the case of what we're doing, we wanted to have sales, orders, example. And so that's where we would save that schema. So that already exists, so I can't do that. As you see already, I've preloaded that. But that'll populate. You just press start import and you can import your files. I numbered the files specifically 00, 01, 02, so then you know the proper order to load them. Now, if that doesn't work for you and you want a different approach, the other one is saying file, open SQL script. So for me, just going here. So I just open that. And so you see you have all the data in here. You press this button right here to execute, and it will run, and this will create your framework for this. Then you go File. Once this one is run, open SQL script. So your structure is done, and so then you want your data to go into the structure, so it populates with this data. So once again, you have the data in here, press execute, and then finally, you want to upload your final file. So then you're just going to say open SQL script, and then you're going to go into your views, so open, and then you're just going to execute this file. What that will do will create your schema, which is your table, inside your table of the variety of categories, and then your different views. So with that, that is 2 separate ways on how you can import data and set up your MySQL.